Hi Arvind.
Hi.
In quick 30 seconds, brief me about yourself.
So I currently work as TPM for Verizon. So I've been in the most of my journey. I've been into business. So I've done my BCom. Then I did several different post graduations, and currently I'm here with IPL. I have around 12 plus years of experience, and I have a very good different domain knowledge. I've been into service-based industry, product-based companies. So here I am right now. Yeah.
Okay. So 1 year from now,
Uh-huh.
aspirationally, from career perspective, what do you really want to be doing?
I want to build my own products. I have been doing that. Like currently, I've been having 2 different companies. Now my aim is to successfully, go into the modern trends in technology, which is AI, adapt to AI, and build some sort of a innovative solution for people with AI.
Okay, good to know that. So what was your motivation to choose EMBA program from Institute of Product Leadership? Was it like one-on-one peer learning? Was it learning by doing, or one-on-one mentoring, or AI-led skill development? What was it exactly?
Precisely, it's a combination of all the things that you mentioned. So I have been doing a lot of research from COVID time,
Okay.
but I did not join due to some different reasons altogether, and I wanted to get more insights before that. And I kept on inquiring and finding out more and more, and I learned a lot of good things, like how the process is here, and it's ultimately it's about managing. When it comes to management, a lot of criticalities. The eye for detailing is super important to understand different sentiments with the customers. You need to understand different stakeholders' sentiments. So for that, you need to know. You will only learn when you meet a lot of people. So that is one most important thing. Many people talk about jobs and everything, but I think that would ultimately refrain when you complete and you get a lot of exposure. That is the end goal for me.
Okay, thanks Arvind.
All right.
Welcome on board.